What's going on, guys? Vic GSC here, back with another video, another vlog. Today we got some bad news for the Eclipse. It's back on the lift, and I'll show you why. As you can see here, guys, we literally took the whole front end of the car apart. The radiator's out, intercooler's out. We took the fuse box out that runs from the passenger side of the vehicle all the way down the front of the chassis. And then it continues to run over here to the cabin area, goes up through the wheel well, and then enters right here into the cabin. We ended up taking this all apart because I was having headlight issues. Basically, you would shut off the car and the headlights are still on, and I'm like, what's going on here? You know, the relay's buzzing and all this, and today we found out that the harness had a huge hole and was grounding out to the body. We go in the back room here. Radiator's off the car. Front mount's off, as you can see from the previous video. And look at all the wiring. It's fucking burnt. Shit. All the fucking wiring. Melted. All of it's pretty fucked. So we called Performance Part Out. These guys over in New Jersey, they part out a lot of DSMs. So they're gonna send me over a new wiring harness, which basically will be the wiring harness, you know, from the fuse box going into the cabin. And hopefully it all works out and it's like plug and play and call it a day. Because we still gotta look into the oil leak. That's basically what I was gonna do, was look into the oil leak. But then my headlights, you know, started acting funky. The relay was buzzing like crazy and the headlights were staying on. You pull the fucking relay and then the car's good. You know, the headlights are off, but they don't work, obviously, because you broke the circuit. So I figured out that basically the shit was burning through. It was burning through, you know, everything, and it was grounding out to the car, the body of the car. So that's what caused the issue. So we just ripped the whole wiring harness out, and hopefully in the next few days that wiring harness comes in so we can toss it in there and see how this goes. Hopefully the car runs. Yeah, so this definitely was probably a problem with the car for the last couple of years, just because I noticed that when I first bought the car, I had a parasitic draw, and basically that was causing the fucking guys. So basically that was causing, you know, the battery to die because the horn, one of the horn wires was causing a draw, and it was killing the battery over a couple days. So I just pulled the fuse on it and called it a day. But I should have looked into the issue then and there, because I would have found out that, you know, the wires were getting frayed up and, you know, we're getting pretty hot and burning against each other. And you know, that was one of my issues, is it was grounding out. But I don't know, got that figured out. Sucks, we got to replace the whole harness, but it is what it is. Keep pushing forward and let's get this shit done. But thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next video, and hopefully we'll take you along with it so you can see the process. See you in the next one. All right, peace.